shots fired.
Alright guys, welcome back to shop today. 6.1 Hemi, putting cam and springs in. I'm going to show y'all a real quick, easy way to get these spring cages off the factory springs. Because you need to run these spring cages when you run a new spring. So, real quick, little hack. Get a pair of snap ring pliers. Make it to where when you squeeze the pliers, it spreads it apart. So, find the open spot here on your spring cage, on your factory spring. Stick this in there, like that right there. You're going to squeeze. It's going to spread that cage apart. When you do that, twist the spring around. Alright? Let pressure go. See how it's brought the spring cage up here. Stick these inside the spring cage. Squeeze again. The spring's out of the spring cage. New spring, same thing. Squeeze. Slide this thing in all the way. Come back here, squeeze, go the other direction, spring cage all the way down. That's just a quick little hack you can do to get these spring cages off your old springs onto the new springs if you don't have, you know, a proper tool to get these off. Gonna do titanium retainers. Ready to put this on the car now. So any other ideas we can come up with, some quick little hacks, we'll make some more videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.